Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to ACC or on. This enables the clock circuit without starting the engine. Next, find the clock controls. On older Wagon R models, it's a small recessed knob or two buttons on the instrument cluster, while newer models put clock adjustments in the infotainment settings clock. Once located, keep the manual or quick reference handy for any model variations. Now, position yourself so you can press and view the display comfortably. This saves time when adjusting hours and minutes. With the clock control visible, press and hold the H or clock button until the hour digits begin to blink. This means the clock is in edit mode. Use the plus/minus buttons, twist the small knob, or tap the touchscreen arrows to advance hours. Make sure AM/PM is correct for 12-hour displays. Once the hour is right, press the clock button again to move to minutes, and change minutes in single steps until matched to a reliable source. Double-check alignment so seconds won't cause a visible offset. After you finish adjusting minutes, press Set, Clock, or simply exit the settings so the digits stop blinking. A steady display usually indicates the time was saved. Make sure to verify by turning the ignition off and then back to ACC. This confirms the clock retains settings. If the time resets or won't save, check the 12V battery voltage, inspect the interior fuse for the clock or infotainment, and ensure your infotainment firmware is up to date. Replacing a weak battery often solves persistent resets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.